Hi guys, just going to do a bit of a restoration job. It's lockdown, so can't really do much. You know, can't go out fishing or bottle digging or anything. So pulled these reels up a while back. I'll try and put the link in the description below if you remember. But yeah, I'm going to give these a bit of a going over and see how they come out. You just hate these masks. Now, most people will probably say put these in the fire, but unfortunately I ain't really got anywhere to have a fire. They're too big to put in a fire bin, really, and I've got nowhere else to really have a small fire. So unfortunately it's got to be done this way. Got to be quiet now because the other half's here as well, so shh. Hi darling.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay. That is so awkward. She's standing behind the camera now, stretching around the leg to have a drink, instead of walking around the other side where she's got an open space. Animals. Got most of the big loose stuff off now, so just give it a going over with the wire brush. Now I might do actually. I've got an attachment for the drill, a wire brush for the drill. So I might actually get that and just use that. Because yeah, I think this might be a bit more awkward than I thought it would be to begin with. So I'll stop you there. I'm going to sort out the drill. Okay guys, so here's the set. You can see. just attached to the drilling now. And, as you can see as well, I've made things a bit easier for myself as well. I've lifted the thing up. So putting mask back on. No, I won't. I'll stop you there while I go get a new mask because this one's just broke. Hi guys, so I'm back, and as you can see I've got my glasses on now because I'm going to be using a power tool, my mask, and yeah, here we go. And running, you know. Always check your battery before you start working. So let's turn you off there and get the power drill out. Okay, so as you can see, I've done most of it with the drill now. It's still quite rough and bad. But the other wide brush out because that one's a bit used now. A few tough bits in there. What I might do is get the chisel and just give it a slight tap of the chisel to the. When I was getting there with the hammer. Ground. Right guys, so clean them up a bit better now. I have. And yeah, I mean, there's the before shots. And it's cleaned up better. It's not perfect, and unfortunately I'm not going to get perfect. I ain't. But I will do. They're only going to be an ornament outside, so yeah, it's one of them. But yeah. So now all I'm going to do is flip it over, so I can clean that wheel there now. And then basically it's just repeating it until it's clean. Okay guys, so I flipped it over, gave it a little tap up in there. I'm about to use a drill on it now. So, yeah. Right guys, so I'm going to turn you off now because it's, you can see what I'm doing, and so you don't want to constantly hear the drill going all the time. So I'll bring you back when I've... Right guys, so as you can see, done that piece, done that side as well. I've got to do the insides now. So I've got it sitting on top. This is a bit precarious because it's leaning, but I'm going to do my best and just hope. There's nobody else around, so if it does fall, it's not going to hurt me. It's one of them. So that we're going to try and do it on the floor, where it's going to be really awkward, and you know, as I'm tapping it, it's obviously just solid along the floor. So give this a go. One thing I will say is next time I really do think I'll try and find a spot or create a spot where I can burn stuff like this, because it's taken longer than I thought it would, and it's a lot more awkward than I thought it would as well. Right guys, so I'll bring you back. Right guys, so here's the cleaned up wheels now. Looking a hell of a lot better than they did. They are. As I say, they're not perfect. I'd love to get them perfect, but unfortunately I just ain't got the space in the garden really to do a fire. I don't want to kill the grass, so it's one of them. But yeah, ooh, burn the washing out. But yeah, the battery's gonna die in a second, so I'll turn you off, and when I get the paint out, I'll put a new battery in, and I'll just show you spraying it up a bit. Right guys, so give on the coat first. Thankfully the wind's died down. It did start to pick up a little bit. Thankfully it's died down a bit. Mask. Never buy cheap masks. Please ready. Huh, I just spied back in jumper.
No.
I did. You probably tell I can never be a graffiti artist. Right guys, so I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch paint dry. Everyone knows that's boring. But what I'm going to do is leave that to dry, flip it over, paint the other side, and then I've got some proper metal paint inside, which I'm going to bring out. It's in the tin side. That one's actually a paintbrush job, and yeah, hopefully will turn out quite nice. Right guys, so it's all painted up now with the undercoat. Here it is. So just going to leave it all to dry now, and then a bit later on I'll come back and put the top coating on. So see you later. Right guys, so it's all dry now. See, all dry. Paint it. Some nice black now. So yeah. I apologise if you can hear crunching and all that. The cat's behind you eating biscuits, so I do apologise if you can hear the crunching. I do like painting. It's relaxing. You can never be a proper artist or anything like that, but I do like painting. So this is just relaxing. Lose yourself. And, so you get all in the nooks and crannies. You know, one spot you miss or leave, so the rust gets back in and just ruins all your hard work. You really need to make sure. I know, the other cat's decided he wants food as well now. So he's now crunching all the biscuits nicely behind you. And we've even got next door neighbour's cat as well. Trying to have a go. They just love animals. Alright guys, so I've done the top piece there. I'll turn you off for a bit because you probably don't want to watch me constantly paint this whole piece. What I'm going to do is top piece here, the rim, the bar, and that top one there, and the rim there, and then obviously I'll go back for that. Then once it's dry, flip it over and do the other side. But I will show you when I've done all the top, the bar and that one. I'll show you it then. And yeah, probably be painting the other side tomorrow because it's getting late now. I've just got to pick the kids up from school and that, so it's time's getting on. So, right guys, so it's finished painting it. Probably can't really see much of a difference. It's black on black. Yeah, it's the glossy coat now. And yeah, just got to leave it outside now for a bit. So it's like 16 hours to dry, but I'm hoping it takes a lot less than that because I've got to move it. So yeah, I think it's coming on alright, to be honest. I don't know. Right guys, so it's the next day. All this is dried now, as you can see. And I'm not sure if you can really see properly on Haze. It's dried really nice. Nice glossy colour. We've decided what we're going to use it for is a planter. Or plant pots. Let's just get one here. Just like that. Yeah. Couple there, and then you can have a one or two there, and then one or two down the bottom there. And stick some bricks under the ends here. At the bottom, all four sides, and then raised off the ground because of these pieces. And yeah, it can be a little decorative planter. So should look quite nice. What I'm going to do now is flip it over and paint the other side. I'm going to repaint this piece as well. I am, because it says it needs 2 coats, so I'm going to give it 2 coats. If it says 2, then give it 2. Best be safe than sorry. So put it back in there. Water off the paintbrush. hoping today as well this won't take so long to dry. I think it was at 8:30 last night I actually took this and put it in the shed. I finished painting it about 4, I think, last night. I did. And it was around 8 o'clock that I put it in the shed, and it was still tacky. So hopefully today it's a little bit warmer. I'm starting earlier, so hopefully it won't be too late. It'll be quite dry. As I say, I will be doing a couple more restorations during lockdown because, well, there's not much else to do. I've got a couple of videos in the bank that I can put up. I have got a couple of bottle digging ones, and I think one fishing one. So yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so as I say, painted that top piece now. I'm going to paint the rims again, the bar, and then that bottom one there. But I'm sure you've got better things to watch, so see you in a minute. Right guys, so all painted up now, it is, and I don't know, let's stand back here. Get that side that's really angled, or if I was to flip it over, it's going to be like this top piece here that's bent over. So I don't know which side to actually have it up when we do. I mean, it's all dry and put the plant pots in it. To have it really angled like that, or the other way up. When it's dry, I'll put it up. I'll turn it over and show you. But you might see a bit early on in the video how angled it is. But let us know. Let us know which way you think would be better. Because I'm not very green fingered, to be honest. And show's okay. But you know, there might be some more people out there a bit better green fingered than me are. So let us know. And I'll bring you back when this is all dried, and we'll go from there. Right guys, so it's pretty much dry now, and here is what I'm thinking I can do with it. Have it like that. Nice little planter. And you know, you can either have that there or there. I'm thinking there and there, to be honest. And then underneath can be there and there. There'll be one there, and then that way they're not covering each other too much, really. I'll put it into the sunshine, so there, and there. But yeah, that's one restoration done. But there will be more coming, so hope you stay tuned.